Vinegar Hill is a forgotten part of Brooklyn, just a few streets near the Navy Yard, where the streetlights flicker and the air feels wrong. Locals say it's cursed, that the government built something deep below it, and sometimes things come back up. Milo never believed the stories, until his friend Danny went missing. Danny was last seen wandering Vinegar Hill at 2 a.m., looking for a secret tunnel he swore led to an underground city. The next morning his phone was found lying in the middle of the street, still on, recording. Milo played the last video. Darkness, shaky camera, Danny whispering, "Bro, I think I found it. There's a door under the bridge and it's..." Click, click, click. The sound sent chills through Milo, sharp, fast, inhuman. Danny's breathing turned ragged. The camera spun, catching a glimpse of something tall, pale, moving too fast, and then, screams, silence.